What's up guys, Rev here, and today we're going to be opening up the OP-14 Booster Box that I purchased at release. I know that it's a couple weeks late, but the last 2 weekends I had card shows that came up at the very last second, and so I didn't have the normal preparation that I would have for a card show that I knew was coming. I do sound a little bit hoarse because I am sick at the moment, but I wanted to get this out because we had a big milestone this past week. We hit our 100 subs. So I'm really grateful to all of you that have subscribed to the channel, that watch all the daily videos and comment on there. It really means a lot to me. So thank you guys. I want to carry the momentum forward into the rest of the year. I'm not sure what I want the goal for the end of the year to be, because honestly I'm just happy with anybody that wants to, you know, come and join us while we open packs. I mean, this is fun for me. So but I think I'd really like to hit the 500 subs. I think that's a lot to ask for in 1 year with the rate of growth that we've had so far, but I mean, I think it's possible. And real quick before we start this opening, do make sure to stay till the end of the video because I'm going to throw in a small little funny reveal at the end. But let's go ahead and get into this opening. So hoping for a little first pack magic here. I do want to say I think we've gotten a little better at opening these packs, so we should go through this a bit faster, even though I do want to take a look at all the cards. Johnny, Ryuma, I do love Ryuma, Gladius, Scaled Neptunian, Rindo, Bluegrass, Salamander Event, Basil Hawkins. Okay, we got our first leader, Jinbei. I have heard that that's kind of being played a lot right now, so that's good. Pentachromatic String, with Doflamingo on there. Kikunojo, and Perona SR. We do love our Peronas on this channel, so very nice card there. I think I picked up the alt art at this last weekend's card show in a trade. So, as part of a trade. Chaka and Pell, Ors, Shiryu, Victoria Sindri, Porsche. That's a really cute card with the chopper getting squashed there. I heard the sound of a lady's teardrops falling. Igaram, Treble. I never really liked that character. Kurubi. I never bothered to remember the faces of Trash. X-Drake, nice card. And Monkey D. Luffy SR. I'm sure with the current boom, that one's probably got some value to it. We'll see in the video. It's absolutely insane, the prices on some cards right now. Like, I always knew that One Piece was going to be big eventually, but I didn't think it was going to be this quickly and this way. It's just gotten completely out of control. So, Spider Mice, Gloriosa, Isho, Jewelry Bonnie, Hitokiri Kamazo, Yosaku, the Macro Gang, Gecko Moria Leader. Okay, I do love me some Gecko cards. Kazuki Odin. Please take me with you. I can be of great help to you. King. I think the alt art for that card looks so cool. And Miss Valentine. Looks like that card's a little bit damaged there. I hope it's not a hit. Thanks, Bandai, for the horrible cutting machines that you use. Sachi and Penguin. Cheeryu. Scaled Neptunian. Bullet String. Bird Neptunian. Marguerite. Mr. 5. That's kind of cool. Human Drill. Toshigi. Boxy. Well, at least it was an SR and not an alt art, but that does kind of suck that the card was a little beat up on the bottom there on the back. It's a nice Foxy card. I hear Foxy might be usable more now in the meta. Miss Merry Christmas. Buffalo. Kinemon. Scratchman Apu. Don't Worry, I'm Here. Terracotta. Mr. 4. Cavendish. Ran. Another leader. Law Leader. Roanora Zoro. That's a nice card there. The alt art is really nice also. And Sugar. I also have that alt art that I picked up in a trade, but I think that was last weekend's card show. I sold one and then I got another one, so. Hannah Ball. Kumasi? Oink Chuck. Diamante. Stealth Black. Yosaku. Makvise. Miss Wednesday. Hurry Up and Make Me the King of the Pirates. Pika, the most annoying voice in One Piece. Arlong. And Perona. We're currently in Wano right after Zoro and Gyakimaru's battle. Gloriosa. Giola. Killer. My wife's hooked now. Like, she cannot stop watching episodes. Beppo. Rindo. Shark Breakfast. Charlotte Pudding. Oh, that's a really, really nice card. I like that one. Walla. Little Koala. Coffin Boat. Cavendish. Eustace Captain Kidd. And Gecko Moria SR. Another Gecko Moria card that I don't know what it is. I like Gecko Moria. I don't know what to tell you. That Kid SP in this set, though, is crazy good. Hopefully we'll get to pull it. Or any SP. I'll take any of it. Watatsumi. Miss Doublefinger. Isho. Igaram. Strive to Surpass Me, Ronorzo. Another Porsche. Another Bluegrass. Miss Golden Week. Oh, sorry about that car in the background. Another Gecko Leader card. Brickbat. Chaka and Pell. That's pretty cool. I like that. I like that artwork. And Elaclaw. Carrot taking on Brule. Okay. Looks like another leader pack. But at least now it doesn't mean guaranteed no hit, with OP-14 introducing the possible hits after a leader. So that's great. I hope they continue with that, because it does kind of take away some of the like fun of the end of the pack when you know you're not gonna get anything. So Macro Gang, Terracotta, Please Take Me With You, again, Bartolomeo, Don Quixote, Joe Flamingo Leader, another Eustace Kid. Oh, that's a nice art as well. I guess that's the original for the SP, maybe? I don't know. Absalom. So still no hit. Looks like we got 15 packs to go. No, wait. Yeah. So, Ors, Capone Gang Beji, Kuro, Vista. I really need to get better at not leaking the cards behind it. Shark Brick Fist. I keep moving multiple cards. Porsche, Rindo, Shakuyaku, Euroj. That shirt she's wearing reminds me of Spider-Man for some reason. Kurubi, Monkey D. Luffy, and another Chaka and Pell. Okay. That's still a sick artwork. I like that. Well, our odds of getting a 3-hit box are slowly dwindling, but keep our fingers crossed. Now, I've seen people open where they like rip this part here and then pull the whole thing, and it just like seamless rip, but I guess I'm not gonna, I haven't quite figured that out yet, so let's just go back to what works. Lao Ji, Sachi and Penguin, Kinemon, Bullet String, Miss Thumbs. That's hilarious that Peekums really thought they wouldn't know who he was. Stealth Black, Usopp. That's kind of sick Usopp card with his dad in the background. Yasop. Another Treble. Miss Wednesday. Flame Dragon Torch. Wow, that's really cool too. I guess that's like a flame Kaido. That's cool. And Jinbei SR. Alright. Okay, let's see. Last pack of the first half of the box. Can we get some luck? Diamante, Gloriosa, Miss Doublefinger, Pachan, Bluegrass, Bird Neptunian, another, I heard the sound. Oh, our first Boa Hancock leader. The alt art would be great to pull. I love that card. It's so nice. Frick that. It's just so clean. Pika, Mr. 3, and King. Okay, no luck with the first box, guys. I think this might be the first box opening that we get that's only a 2-hitter. If that's the case, because I think all the other box openings that I've done on the channel so far have been 3-hitters. Vista, Buffalo, Oink Chuck, Wadatsumi, another Mistums, another Pudding, Don't Worry I'm Here, another Law Leader, Pika, Disappointed, Ocean Current Shoulder Throw, and Silver's Rady. Alright. Well, still no hit, but we've got some pretty nice SRs so far. And I'm liking the artwork on a lot of these cards. I think there's a boa card of some sort that's just a regular boa, like a common card, and it's really nice. If we see it, I'll point it out. Ryuma again, Mr. 9, Makvise, Terracotta, Shakuyaku, Euroj, Chaka Impel for fun. Huh. Okay. Oh, okay, and we got the foil Dawn for the EB04 part of this set. That's really nice. I wouldn't mind getting a full set of those and having those for playing with. I prefer those ones to the Mihawk ones. That's just me, but I like them both. Once we get a little closer to the end here, I'll start speeding up on the packs. You know, because we'll have gone through most of the cards. But I just want to really get a good look at all the artwork. Okay, Isho, Sachi and Penguin, Hannibal, Oink Chuck, Stealth Black, Groggy Monsters, Scratch Manapoo. I have a plan to take down one of the 4 Emperors. Gorgon Sisters, that's the one I was talking about. Baby 5, Queen, Trafalgar Lar SR. Yeah, that boa, that Gorgon Sisters card was the one that I was talking about. It's really nice. I think it's probably one of my favorite cards of the set. Salome, Vista, Killer, Buffalo, Changros, Mr. 4, Strive to Surpass Me, Mr. 9, hurry up and make me the King of the Pirates, Chew. Okay, I think that's the first time that one comes out. Mr. 3. Oh, I think we've got a hit here. It's kind of sticking together here. Okay. Oh, sorry. Wow. Yeah, that's a really nice card. I like the detail in the back with the Marines getting all cut up and stuck back together in different ways. That guy in the back on the right has his legs for arms. That's a really nice card. Okay. Yeah, we'll take that. We do like law cards here. Lao G, Kinemon, Edward Newgate, Bullet String, Kozuki Sukiyaki, Bird Neptunian, Beppo, Koala again, let's see, Dellinger, I don't know if we pulled that one earlier, another Coffin Boat, Everwhite. Okay, that's the first time. Oh, it looks like it's sticking again. I think we got another hit. Oh, the Mihawk SEC. That's such a sick card. Well, I do believe that means this is maybe a 3-hit box? A 3-hit box? That'd be crazy because we were already like 16 or 17 packs in when we hit our first hit, I think. Miss Doublefinger, Senior Pink, Miss Merry Christmas. Does that mean we're manga possible here? Crescent Cutlass, Victoria Sindri, the Macro Gang, another Boa Hancock, Leader. I like to get 2 of each because I like to have one to potentially play with and one to keep. Usopp again. Oh, very nice Boa Hancock foil card there. And another Perona. By the looks of it so far, I would say we're probably not going to come out positive on this box. Just because I'm not sure if we're going to hit a 3rd pack. But who knows? We'll see. What do you guys think? Watatsumi, Beiji, Diamante, Kuro. Groggy Monsters. Heard the sound of a lady's teardrops falling. Hitokiri Kamazo. Brickbat. Fisher Tiger. Bartolomeo. Time for the counterattack. And a VVSR. That's really nice VVSR. I really like that one. Very colorful. Also, as part of the 100 subs celebration, maybe we could do a live next weekend. I don't know how many of you all would be down for that. I don't have much to open, but I have like 2 double packs that maybe we could do, and I could just take some questions or something for a little bit. Let me know. Johnny, Edward Newgate, Yuma, Jumbris, Mistums, Kozuki Sukiyaki, another Salamander, Fisher Tiger, Hazel Hawkins, Marguerite, Jinbei, and another King. Okay, another Dawn pack. Salome, Gladius, Achan, Jewelry Bonnie, Crescent Cutlass, Mr. 9, Victoria Sindri, Dellinger, Kozuki Odin, Virgo, Shirahoshi. Oh, that's a nice drawing. Like the artwork is nice on that one. Okay, and now the Mihawk Dawn. So we got one of each. So let me know in the comments, which ones do you prefer, guys? Do you prefer the Egghead one like me? Or do you like the Mihawk Dawn better? Like I said earlier, I would probably run 10 of those Egghead Dawns for my deck. Senor Pink, Kuro, Miss Merry Christmas, Nibble, Charlotte Pudding, Kozuki Sukiyaki, Crescent Cutlass, Chu, Shakuyaku, Pentachromatic String, Ground Death, not the one that we wanted, Boa Hancock again, and oh, that's it. Okay, alright. So 2 more packs left. Still hoping for a 3rd hit. Got another Johnny, Giola, Salome, Chaka and Pell, Groggy Monsters, Victoria Sindri. Correct this over here. Okay. Don't worry, I'm here. Yosaku, Dellinger, Cavendish, Tashigi. Oh, I think we have our 3rd hit, guys. Okay, it's a 3rd hit. Miss All Sunday. Wow. That is nice. We love some Robin here, and I believe that's like an $86 card, if I'm not mistaken, right now. Wow. Okay. All of this stays in the PC, though, guys. Remember that. I don't really sell the English that I pull for myself, so. That's crazy. Okay, so we did it. 3 hit. We continue the 3 hit box tradition here on this channel. Edward Newgate, because I do believe we've pulled three hits on every box I've opened for you guys. I'll have to go back and double check, but I'm pretty sure that's accurate. I never bothered to remember the faces of trash. Fisher Tiger, Organ Sisters, You'll Frighten Me. Oh, we want the the alt event of that one for sure, and Jinbei to end it off. Alright, so what do you guys think of the haul? Was there anything that you all were hoping for yourselves from this set? Other than the manga, obviously. Any of these cards that you didn't particularly like? I know some people may not like Law. I don't know. I think that card looks pretty clean. So, I think I'm pretty happy with the pulls overall. So, that's awesome. Now, I didn't forget. I did promise you all a reveal. So, as part of the 100 sub celebration, I know a couple of you that have watched the video that I've put up in the past have heard my dog running around in the background. So without further ado, This is Faye. She's the little monster running around in the background all the time, and she wanted to open a pack for you guys. So I unfortunately don't know what I did with the video, but here is the picture of the pack, and here are the pulls. So she wanted me to share that pack pull with you guys. I know some of you are probably dog lovers like myself, so I wanted to go ahead and just do something a little funny with you guys. As always, guys, thanks for watching the video. I appreciate all of you guys. I apologize again because of my voice, but don't forget to hit that like, follow, and subscribe, and we'll catch you guys in the next one.